Are you learning to day trade and for some reason it always feels like you're taking one step forward and two steps back? If that sounds like you, then you might be doing these 5 deadly beginner trading mistakes that I also used to be doing. And in this video, I'm going to reveal them and also show you what to do instead. I literally wish that I would have seen this video back when I was unprofitable, not making money, depressed, and just completely lost. This video would have saved me years of struggle, pain, and also, obviously, most of all, money and time. But I didn't get this video back when I was unprofitable, but now you can have this completely for free. So if you want this video to actually help you, then get out from the comment section, take a seat, put this on full screen and watch this video till the end. With that being said, let's get into the video. So the first beginner mistake that almost every single day trader does is not following their trading plan. This is so bad because your trading plan is literally the blueprint to your success. Without your trading plan, you cannot make money because you're literally just gambling. I remember when I started trading, I used to literally get into the markets with no plan. Guess what happened? I made some money in the beginning, but then I would lose everything. I would lose my account because I didn't have anything with my risk involved. I would literally blow my trading account again and again because my risk management was inside the trading plan as it should be for you. So I didn't follow my trading plan at all until I found one video of a guy telling that you should create a trading plan, follow it literally religiously, and then you can make money. And that's exactly what I did. Didn't have the trading plan. That's when I wasn't making money. But once I actually started to study it, actually started to use it, that's when everything clicked. But obviously, you have to understand, following the trading plan can be a task itself. For me, it took some time for me to actually master the trading plan and actually use it every single day. So what I recommend you to do is you create yourself a trading plan. It should have your risk management. It should have your trading strategy, all that good stuff, when to trade, what to trade, how many trades a day, etc., etc., all that good stuff. And then the actual hard part itself is following the trading plan. Okay, you have to follow it religiously. Okay, I mean it. So I challenge you, go 30 trades in a row, following your trading plan, following your system, step by step, religiously. If you do this, I guarantee you will be unprofitable way faster because first of all, you will create yourself a habit. It's a habit to follow the trading plan religiously. If you cannot do that, then it's very unfortunate. So that's why go 30 trades in a row, following your trading plan step by step. I guarantee you that it will help a lot. You're literally proving to the markets that you're disciplined enough to follow your trading plan. The markets will reward you for that. They will literally throw cash at your face. So do that. Try 30 days following your trading plan and do not go against the trading plan. All right. Day trading mistake number 2 is trying to make money. Guys, how many times have you been there? You're in the markets and you're just so excited. You want to get that dopamine hit. You're just like, oh, I'm going to make so much money. And then you end up losing everything. That's exactly what used to be happening to me every single day. I used to always try to make money. Guess what happens when you try to make money with trading? You will not make money. I know we all started trading to make money, but if you try to make money, you will not make money. Let me explain, because when you get into the markets excited, you want to get that dopamine hit from taking a trade, you will see a bunch of opportunities that actually are not there because you're just trying to make money. You're emotional. You're not using your logic. Did you know that logic and emotions cannot go together? It's just a simple fact. The problem is 99.999% of the traders in the world, retail traders, are trying to make money. What they should do instead is get into the markets and look to improve instead. Everybody's just so locked in with trying to make money. That's just a trap. That's a market trap. The markets want you to think that you want to make money. The markets are literally manipulated and they want you to think that, oh, how can I make money? But you will make money only if you try to improve, become a better individual, becoming a better trader, and just mastering every single aspect of your life. By the way, let me know in the comment section if you have also dealt with this problem, because I cannot be the only one. But nowadays, I'm not trying to make money. That's why I am profitable now. I've been profitable for over 2 years, and now I can do a bunch of cool stuff in my life because of that, because I'm not trying to make money. Okay, and beginner trading mistake number 3 is trying to find that huge trading reversal to get a big sniper entry. Now, don't get me wrong. Sniper entries are amazing when done correctly, but most of the traders in the world are just constantly trying to find that huge reversal, going against the trend. That is a huge mistake because there's a saying that is 100% correct. Trend is your friend. Trend, the market trend, uptrend and downtrend. When the price is moving in an uptrend, you have to look for buys. When the price is moving in a downtrend, you have to look for sells. Simple as that. Now, most of the traders do not understand that, including me in the beginning. I used to always try to find that huge 1 to 15 R multiple sniper entry, but guess what? Every time that I did that, I lost money. Nowadays, I actually know how to take a 1 to 15 risk-reward ratio trade, but it's because I know how to trade. But I am not going against the trend. I see a market structure shift or I follow the trend. Going against the trend is a huge mistake. That's why you have to understand what is liquidity and how to follow the trend. I have plenty of videos on that, but now let's stay on the topic. You have to always follow the trend, okay? If you do not follow the trend, you will lose. I used to literally lose a lot of money in the markets by going against the trend. When it was in an uptrend, I used to just be arrogant and I was like, nah, I'm gonna get the big move by going into the downtrend while it's in an uptrend. Huge mistake. Cost me a lot of money and time in the markets by doing that shit. So make sure to always follow the trend, or if you want to get a sniper entry, then see a market structure shift. I have videos on that, but let's stay in the topic, okay? Like I told you, stop trying to always find that trading reversal to make money. You have to follow the trend. That is very consistent way of making money. Day trading beginner mistake number 4 is cutting profits too early for no reason. How many times have you been there? You're in a trade, you're a little bit in profit, and then you just start to get anxious and you're scared. You're scared that the profits will turn into a loss or a break-even trade, so you just cut your profits too early for no reason. Let me just tell you that this was one of the biggest mistakes that I used to be doing. I had a good win rate. I thought that I was making money when I cut my profit too early. I was like, yeah, I'm making money. But at the end of the week, I checked my trading P&L, profit and loss. I was like, what the hell is going on? I'm negative. I'm literally losing money constantly, even though my win rate is very nice, like 70, 80% win rate. But then I checked my trades. When I took a win, my win was very small. And when I took a loss, which I didn't lose that much, but when I lost a lot of money because I used to always cut my profits too early. I wasn't allowing my profit get into actual take profit. That's why I was making scraps. And when I lost a lot of money. Most of the traders are coping and saying that, oh, a win is a win, so let me just cut these profits too early. But then they lose money. And they're just coping. They're living in a fantasy world. But let me tell you, welcome to the real world. In the real world, you cannot make money if you cut profits too early for no reason. You can cut profits too early if there's a huge liquidity and you see that prices reacting from that. That's one of the only times you could potentially cut your profits too early. In that case, you can also move the stop loss to break even. Guys, you have to understand that tomorrow is a new day. If you lose a trade, it's okay. Make sure only that your winners outweigh your losses in size. That will help me and you drastically. You have to make sure that your winners are big and your losses are small. You can do that by making sure that you risk accordingly to the market conditions and the trade. If it's an A+ setup, you can risk a little bit more. If it's not, you can risk a little bit less. And most of all, the most important thing is to let your profits run to the actual take profit that you set. And the beginner day trading mistake number 5 is by far the most important. It's not learning from other traders' mistakes. Think about it. If you read a book, you can learn that a billionaire did this and that, and then you can learn from his mistakes. Now in trading, if you go online, you see a bunch of traders. You can learn from their mistakes. You can literally save a bunch of time and money. If you just go into the markets and try to learn everything on your own, reinvent the wheel, it will take you so much time. Literally, I was losing for 2 years until I got the right guidance. Then I became profitable. Nowadays, I'm making $2,000 a day. I'm making good money. And nowadays, my students are also making money. If you actually want to cut your trading learning curve in half, you want to become profitable very fast, you want to make money consistently, profitably, and obviously independently, then click the first link in the description. It will take you to my free day trading course that's over 1 hour long. Imagine that, completely for free. Take you from an absolute beginner to a profitable day trader step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, and share this video to a friend who you want to see succeed. All right? as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.